So guys, we're gonna play Minecraft right now. Just we can't find food in Tapsilog like that because there's no water currently in our barangay. So yeah, we're gonna find near our school. Yeah. So we just bought ice cream right now because it's so hot right now. Oh my! I thought. Oh my God!
Ay, yung benta dyan ha, baka maisang kayo. Ang hugas lang ng buhok, hindi pa naman nakakain.
So just gonna wait this load while eating ice cream. You monster.
Panghugas lang ng ano yun, ha?
So we're back. We're back. Y'all. Oh my God! It's so cold. Oh, because you beat it, dude.
Eh, bakit ganyan din kayo dapat dito kayo humarap.
Di marap ka nga. Ito lang nakikita ko mga choco mucho. Ayun lang nakikita ko.
Be alert. Asa kapatid?
Be alert in your
Boso,
surroundings.
yasan. Ano? Ay, si Victor.
Si Cheto nandun sa sala kumakain ice cream.
Tignan nyo naman, mami, ano yung
Ma, nandito si Lucky, ma. Nandito lang. So, we're just gonna eat.
Nak. Yung tubig, abangan nyo, bibigay ni Kuya Bilong. Ha? Ipapasok nyo lang dyan, ha? Ha? Diyan, ha? Papasok nyo, ha?
So, guys, we're just gonna eat our ice cream first. So, yeah, we're gonna eat. Bro, so what you gonna do right now? I don't know. You finish up the base. I'm gonna get more materials like stone. Borrow lights.
Apa. Sige po. Thank you. 5 Marlboro lights. Bigyan
Ito ko
mo
na
20
lagay.
pesos.
Sino?
Yung magdadala ng tubig.
Okay.
Nag-anong Lima.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ako kuya. Kaya, bigyan mo na ng 20 pesos.
I know there's a nearby cave because I'm hearing zombies right now. And I'm here. The base eating ice cream. Yeah, doing nothing. I'm enjoying it. Bro, check on Mitchell. He's like so annoying right now. Okay, maybe we'll stop on this trash. Because I've been hurting a lot of monsters. Wake up! Can you not hit me with your mace?
forget.
Seems forget.
It's ice cream so you don't forget you're doing it. I'm doing,
You're just
doing
doing
nothing.
nothing, Stan. Dude, I'm blinking. Mmm. Yummy. Okay, it's day 6. Yours? Dude, your ice cream just drip on my feet.
Oh my god, you just freaking...
So, we're gonna build insane builds with just stone, y'all. And probably I'm gonna do most of the job of the builds, y'all. That's gonna be sooner on days because we can't do that right now. We're poor in everything, especially our farm, dude. Our farm. Are you kidding me right now? Bro, mom's calling. Bro.
Oh, I thought...
Oh my God.
Dapat naman si Mitchell ha, baka mabalbot naman. Yan, ha?
Apa.
Ate,
Apa.
sige na, ha?
Saan na kayo? It's almost night, but I'm gonna sleep. I'm just gonna sleep. I'm gonna eat ice cream.
Balis na.
Malagay po, tito. Sa loob. Just looking at some.
Ito po.
Okay, guys. So don't care about that, etc.
I wanna wash my hands, by the way. Wanna wash my hands?
It's gonna be day 7. Yay. Bro, can you finish up the house?
I don't have stones.
Isn't the chest?
Oh, okay. I finished my action, now I'm gonna do work. Where's your pants?
Huh? What do you mean?
I thought you lost your pants. What the frick is this?
Oh, I built that. So just gonna mine some stones. Hey, can you give me some tree stones? Just tree for another pig.
So yeah, wait.
Oh, I remembered in one of the Minecraft we had, the one that named Sukuna, or base is OP. A lot of wood, a lot of stone.
Bile.
Ano yun? Then, I have a lot of pickaxes because I'm usually the miner. Can you stop?
Basan yan? Wait, you didn't took the stones. I took the stones.
Hmm?
You said 3, right?
Yeah, true.
Here we go.
I'm gonna make some pickaxe. Because mine's gonna break. pickaxe. So,
Where's their zombies? I don't like zombies.
I don't know, dude.
We need a farm.
You can make one.
How? Do they have iron to make a bucket? How we are gonna make?
Okay, guys, just wait, okay, y'all, okay. So, guys, y'all have to wait long because our sister is so stupid. Like, she's done with her ice cream, and then he started biting the stick. Mamaya. Ito. Dude, so cute.
It's a pot in the Philippines. We need wood. We need wood. Why is there a freaking zombie?
I don't know. Maybe I'm mining near a cave.
I can hear it in your freaking voice. There's a
Maybe
cherry
34 is fine. 34 could work.
wood.
Let's go for it. I'm just gonna eat some more ice cream because it still has. It's like melting away. What are you doing?
Nothing. We are out of wood, by the way. Over there. Where's the torch? Come on, let's put our bed here.
Can you put mine? See?
Can I take my bed back? And your bed, by the way.
Oh. Wait. Wait, my hand is wet.
Thank you.
Dude, don't make the pup cry.
Making the pup cry, guys. The Papa Pro. We need wood.
Wood.
Yes.
Can you chop some? Are you the wood guy? And then the stone guy. Oh. I do need torches too.
some.
It should be dark. I can open it far. You know what? Just wait a minute.
Why is there freaking zombies?
I don't know. Okay, I think I run into a cave.
I went into a cave.
Yeah, there's a cave nearby. And I'm not taking any chance by getting killed, yo.
Excuse me.
We need food. I'm gonna get started on the wood and on the food. But we need water.
We need our private chest. Michelle?
Dude, I told you. Lucky, come here. Oh. Ba't mo din kasi? Talagi.
This is mine, okay? That's mine. That's mine. That's mine.
How the hell did you make the spear?
I just mine. We don't talk about it. It's just wait. Let me see.
I'm gonna make
Like that. A spear.
diagonally.
Easy.
Not vertically. Oh, look at that.
Ooh, a treasure. What can you trade us?
What can you trade with us?
Really?
What are the plans? Oh, shit. Okay. Yeah, it's time to run now. I'm gonna attack you with my mace.
Come on, bro. Let's go.
Yes, I got a lead.
Come
Can I
on,
try
bro.
to do this space?
That's it.
Oh! Okay.
It's getting dark. It's sunset.
Yeah, but I got my need. A lead. I need the freaking lead. I got a freaking lead. Because I need
I want
a
to tame
lead.
a horse.
I already tamed one.
A horse?
Yeah.
Excuse me, that's my bed.
Oh. Dude, what's happening? Why did you run here?
Before you bring something like this.
It's day 8, almost day 10. I'm gonna start on a crazy build. And I don't know where
We
I'm
need
gonna
a water source.
Oh, come on. I have a great idea. You know, I'm a great builder. And I had a plan building a giant mansion. Oh my god,
Building
that's
a giant mansion is so hard. Can
Yeah.
you think of that?
yeah, but it's easy for a builder.
I guess you're a builder, but I think it's really hard to get source. What am I? What I mean?
No, just like the frames, dude. Like the frames only. And once you get more materials, like wood and stairs like that, we can design it and stuff. We can make bedroom, kitchen, storage room, and like that. Bathroom.
I guess.
Or valuables. And armory. Oh my god.
Yep, I'm hungry.
And let's build a kitchen too. Yeah, big kitchen. I wanna start it on right now, but we need stones.
So let's mine together.
Did you make short chest? That's the question.
Nope. I did not.
Dumb ways to die.
Ano sa inyo? May maling silog, half silog, skin silog, torta silog, longga
Ano?
silog, camel isa. Pork silog.
Wait lang ma, may bumibili ma. May bumibili lang ma.
Ano ba yan? Pork silog na lang?
Opo, pork silog. Pindutin mo pag bibili ka.
Ate na kayo magkapatid.
Opo. Magkano na ng camel ma? 9. 9. Imbis na 1. Ha? Ha? Pinagdan ko sa tindahan. Ano? Biglang kumuha. Walang bantay. Kumakain kami nun. Dude, now I hear a freaking witch. I'm scared to die. Ingay. Ha? Ano ma? Ano? Ano yun ma? Your stuff na yan. Oh my god, what is it? Sabi na nga ma. Parang napindit mo lang yung ulit. Is that your freaking pet chicken? Yes, can I be stuck? Can you find a water, please? There you go. Like a river? Dude, we need torches too. Can you grab some torches? That's what I said earlier.
Oh my god, the chickens go out. That's not my problem.
It's your problem. Come on. I'm gonna leash you with me. Where can I put this guy?
How to make tortas. I'm so sorry to it.
I need fans. Okay, wood. Did you take all of the wood? Give me some wood. Like maybe just 4 wood.
Excuse me, this is my wood. Take this wood.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna give you 4, you said?
Yeah, it's 4. I need 4. Where's the sticks? I need sticks.
There you go. Wait, I took the sticks.
I need like at least 2.
I guess there's a 10. I made 13 tortas. 10 each. 10 each.
I'm gonna make fans for my chicken bologna.
Bro, your chicken is upstairs. Don't bring your freaking chicken upstairs.
I'm gonna tie him here.
We need torches in the bedroom. It's too dark. Well, I don't like dark places.
You stay there. Chicken nenoni. Chicken nenoni.
What is name?
Chicken nenoni.
I
Do not
hate
go
that
there
sound. I hate that sound.
Let's do what we always do in our first survival world. Count to 10 and meet together. Here, dude, here, start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hello. Hello. Can I have torches? Oh my. Oh my god. Bumunod ako. Plastic daw, be. Ha?
Wala nang itlog, Jay.
Itlog maalat. Gusto mo? Itlog maalat.
Wala.
Itlog. Bro, I want some torches. Can you get one?
Here, let's share. Here.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Where are you?
I'm here!
Come here.
Bro, what are you doing? Pochi.
Thank you very much. I think we are... Ano yun? Dito na muna yun. Itlog ba?
Ito, ba't hindi ito mataba? Nag-diet siya. Nag-diet. Milan. Ano yun? San Marino. Ito ba? Ito ba? Ito ba, be? Oh. San Marino. Yung red na malaki. Wala na. Ito. San Marino.
Ito ba?
45.
Ito ba? 45 minus 100 ang bilis.
75. 10 yan, no?
I think so.
10 yan.
Bell.
20 plus
45 minus 100.
65. Minus
35.
so freaking dark!
Bell. Did I have the arms? Oh my god, your chicken. Oh, your chicken lay egg. You can make a cake.
Yeah, you're right. You can make eggs.
Let me see, where's the cake? We need hay. Oh my god, we cannot get a hay. We don't have
From the
farm.
village.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Hey bro, it's dark. Come on, let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna.
I'm gonna build this a window.
54 is not bad. It's not good, but it's not bad. Get some dirt. Okay.
There you go, a window.
It's a stupid window.
Okay, do not grab my window. If you don't like my window, do not.
Wait there.
See?
Okay.
It's kind of cute. It's not cute.
It's kind of stupid.
Yeah. But it works, okay? It works. Now, don't have sand, okay? Can you move?
Wait, stand still. Dude, stand still. Dude, look. It looks like it's made like from a fiber or numbers.
See it? Yeah, it's true. A window. It's night. It's cheapy.
Chippy. May chippy pa tayo.
Wait lang, may
Chippy, chapa, chapa. Check mo dyan. Wala dito. Wala ba?
tingnan mo dyan, be.
Sa labas.
Wala, be?
Wala.
Ay, wala na yan. Wala na, be.
Bakit? Bakit? Yan na, natamaan ka na sa mukha, Lucky. Ang harap mo kasi. Teka lang. Ha? Did you change the sign? Dude, I'm literally fighting with the dog. She's trying to bite me, dude. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Frick you. Frick you. Frick you. I'm gonna build the mansion so fast. Oh my gosh. Ano? Napalo ka na ng kuya mo.
I think the chicken die.
Ano, napalo ka na. Ang harot mo kasi.
We need a water bucket for the water. We're gonna take a water from the village.
Yeah.
Oh my
Oh
god.
Oh,
Did you find water?
yeah. That just saved me, dude.
Oh, I forgot.
Dude, I was going like this. I'm just running into the cliff and I suddenly fell. And this water just saved me from dying.
Yeah. Yeah, stupid bonbon.
I'm fighting with fire.
Ano po yun?
Lol.
Ano po yun?
You'll get chicken. Bloody chicken, bloody chicken, masimuti.
Ito, baka mamaya, ibian nyo. Tingnan nyo. Yung tatlong laki dito. Ano?
Dude, Bro!
Oo nga. Ano nga yung ginawa niya?
Bro! 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 I'm gonna take the fishing rod because you can fish in the water that I just found.
Ha?
Fish! Go fish! We need food! We need
Bali, reverse lang yung listahan na kayo bumili siya, no?
Bili daw siyang laki. Kasi magkamay na lang kayo.
Where's the cave?
Dyan tayo. Patayin nyo muna yan.
Where's the cave again?
Halika na.
Sa ibo, naghahanap ng matutumihan na naman yun. Oh.
Uy.
O yan, banata mo.
Na, electric fan.